Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study B, Pharmacy first semester. We will cover essential strategies to help you excel in your foundational year. First, understanding the core subjects is paramount. Then, we'll delve into effective study techniques, including active recall and spaced repetition, which are crucial for long-term retention. Finally, we'll discuss how to manage your time efficiently and prepare for examinations with confidence. This approach will set a strong academic foundation for your entire degree. For core subjects, dedicate significant time to human anatomy and physiology. Visualize systems and functions, perhaps using diagrams. In pharmaceutical analysis, practice numerical problems and understand the principles behind each test. For pharmaceutics, focus on the why behind different formulations and their stability. Inorganic pharmaceutical chemistry requires understanding chemical structures and their therapeutic applications. Aim for at least 2 hours of focused study per subject, 3 to 4 times a week, to build a solid understanding. Practical sessions are invaluable. Actively engage in every lab. Pay close attention to demonstrations and safety protocols. Maintain a meticulous lab notebook, documenting procedures and observations, as this aids understanding and recall. Effective time management is also key. Allocate specific blocks for each subject, including revision. Consider using a planner to track assignments and deadlines. Remember to schedule short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to maintain focus and prevent fatigue. Leverage all available resources. Your prescribed textbooks are fundamental, but also explore online academic journals and reputable educational videos for diverse perspectives. Forming study groups can be incredibly beneficial for discussing challenging concepts and peer teaching. For exam preparation, practice extensively with previous question papers. This helps you understand the format, common question types, and time allocation. Aim to complete at least 3 full practice papers under timed conditions before your actual exams to build confidence and speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.